Good morning. It's time to finish 12.6. So here's 12.6 part 2. And I'm just going to launch right in. And doing what we're doing is adding and subtracting rational expressions with different denominators and finding common denominators. So let's look at the first example. X plus 4 over x squared plus 3x minus 10. And we're subtracting this whole fraction, or we're subtracting from this whole fraction, pardon me, x minus 1 over x squared plus 2x minus 8. In order to do that, I have to find an LCD. But to find the LCD, I have to factor. So I have to add in a step. And my first step is factor the denominator. So I have x plus 4 on top, and on the bottom, I have x plus 5 and x minus 2. Yep, that will give me plus 3x in the middle. And here, I'm going to factor the bottom here and get x, let's see, x plus 4 and x minus 2, because that will give me 2x. Next, I'll have to find my LCD. And my LCD, here I can see that I have the x minus 2 in common, so I only need to use that once, and it's already in factored form, so I don't need to do anything on the side. And then I have the x plus 4, which is extra, and then x plus 5, which is extra. So I have factored, I found my LCD, and now I have to manipulate each of these fractions to get a common denominator. So let me rewrite this. And I'm going to get x plus 4 over x plus 5 times x minus 2. In order to get this LCD, which I'll just kind of put a little bit of red around so that we remember what we're trying to get to the LCD, I need to multiply. I have the minus 2, I have the plus 5. I need to multiply top and bottom by x plus 4. And then here, I have x minus 1 over x plus 4, x minus 2. And the only one I'm missing is x plus 5. So I multiply top and bottom by x plus 5. So on top, I'm going to get x plus 4 squared. And I'm just going to subtract, and here I'm going to get x minus 1, x plus 5, and the denominator, the whole thing, I'm going to get x plus 5, x minus 2, x plus 4. Now moving on from there, I need to multiply everything out and then recombine. So here, if I multiply out x plus 4 squared, it's a perfect square trinomial. I get x squared plus 8x plus 16 minus, and I'm going to put this in parentheses first so I don't get confused. X squared, 5x minus x is 4x minus 5. And then the denominator, x plus 5, x minus 2, x plus 4. I now need to I can now subtract and distribute that negative. So x squared plus 8x plus 16 minus x squared minus 4x plus 5. Again, still over x plus 5